Laikam kumba khat khandai tali hapo joy municipal board kidon ki post ki banado pas kelas 6 ter shadow ki pas degree pas engineering la kajong kajong college unifiro session part te shwa bangan batai nam tagini post kawai ka jingkat pat na geleng jonga ban yarap lada phi thit jing thit kinu thit online nambaga flipkart dane ka Mintra pila ban klik hapo description lane pila ban page haktu simur po pni ka shop ka jongas polandari shop ngtu te pila ban klik yang ba kini ki link pila ban thet kanu ka tiar ba phi mut ban thet te phi klik tang ngatu ka link kala yarab ban ai commission bat kan yarab ban ai commission yanga te session part college one te college one fibro session part ki jip tip nam ta ki khubor like kam te kini ki post kila dapat me nadu khat trik September te kami por bhawan pentip ke por te la pimpat tip padum ta te sampai kini video hadu ko kut ek jon kam bat kumno ban apply nam ta kini ki post apo Joy municipal board ini post ki don nadu ba pas class 6 class 10 class 12 ter sejarong tengi page UP way kini ki post paro te kini ki post jong kane ka Joy municipal board kumau kaneru kalong gacu hi kumpa DSC mo ba baru kilong baik ban apply tang ba ka preference kalong baik yaki resident of the West Jaintia Hill district makre po West Jaintia Hill district nama resident of the West Jaintia preference will be given to local candidate residing permanently in West Jaintia Hill district ka preference tama ki banambar district ru kila ban apply te ki kita ki post kemau ka last date kadai lai tarik Oktober selek kloi ban pandap lam tagine kajuhi kumba phi la da register nanta ka DSC lane MPSC ka kajuhi should log in hangtu sawat iko office jong ka Joy municipal board apply ada dengan page ki post ki ba laj hange post ki ba laj ka baning kong ka de jong ka assistant engineer kamau assistant engineer qualification de degree BE BTech in civil engineering from a government recognized institution tanggawi ka post ka tulok ka de lai 1000 per month fixed pay. Age will be calculated reference to 1/1/2025 and should be obtained the age of 18 to 32 plus 5 year 18 to 37 kajuhi kumki DSC MPSC and number 2 kadeka junior engineer kana educational qualification 3 years diploma course in electrical engineering from a government recognized institution kana 1000 per month kasnem kajuhi balai account assistant qualification de graduate in commerce kan mau tang ba de commerce kila ban apply nam ta account assistant from a recognized institution dan tang ka we post arpo jar sibnai kasnem kan de kaju kaneru then number sao ka sanitary inspector ki bala ban apply gilong class 12 pass with 1 year diploma course in public health and sanitation technology from a recognized university tang ka we post arpo jar sibnai 5 driver educational qualification class 8 pass having valid professional heavy vehicle driving license driving test will be conducted can conduct ka driving license mo ke pan ya ka heavy vehicle driving license kan bawa kenero tang ka post khasan 1000 shibnai fixed pay kenero driver JCB bandreu qualification class 8 pass having valid LDX loader or construction equipment driving license and driving test will be conducted kenero khasan 1000 shibnai fixed pay Kabanyo, data entry operator. Kibala apply gelong pass class 12 with a certificate course in computer having a minimum duration of 6 months. Kemau kebadap habdap beyaga nrubanai DCA. Kebadap tang arbnai lebanai kementu ergamyo ara kane don arli post arpo jar shibnai. Then kapra ka post sweeper ko buntang mane sweeper educational qualification class 6 pass pratali ki post kidon kane khasan 1000 shibnai. Kasnem kare bikumju bajma khat pra do life news nem educational qualification sakawa khandai last sectional assistant kane pass class 10 tangkawai ka post ar 4000 shibnai te karkum apply kumang adam batai pa apply bikumju I kum kaju I ka website jong ka MPSC GSC katuhi phya lelok enang tuhi te ka sabu kaling hapo description ma bu kaling hapo description te bisa apply yakini ki post ki balai la dapat ko apply ka last date kare lai tarik Oktober mudai next week te pinang yu pori kumba CTO man apply nam ta kini post ka by application mud kawai ka post kini ki songdor sanpho tingka kawai ka post kan ma bhamo yakini SC ST san po tingka te nam ta ki general kandai shispa tingka nam ta ki general kandai shispa tingka te tangki nehi amnon reban batai ba lara pila de ban registration nam ta ka DSC mar ba jong jowai kalat ke DSC te kumju hi pila ban theplang ba de kini lada ko ban apply te tangka nehi creation